Hi there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to dive deep into Kubernetes and talk about securing inter-pod communication using network policies. But before we kick things off, remember to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all our tech guides. To start with, let's demystify some concepts. Kubernetes, as many of you know, is a powerful open-source system that aids in managing containerized applications in a clustered environment. It helps to automate deployment, scaling, and management of applications. A pod, on the other hand, is the smallest deployable unit in the Kubernetes ecosystem and can host one or more containers. So, what's inter-pod communication? Well, in simpler terms, it's just the networking between the pods that are part of your Kubernetes cluster. By default, Kubernetes does not restrict any communication within or between pods. That sounds quite convenient, right? But here's the catch. This lack of restriction can potentially expose an avenue for malicious activities. So, how do we secure our pod communications? The answer lies in the use of network policies. Network policies are Kubernetes resources that control the traffic between pods and network endpoints. They use labels to select pods and define rules which specify what traffic is allowed to the selected pods. The first thing you need to know is that network policies in Kubernetes are implemented by the network plugin. So you need to be using a networking solution which supports network policies such as Calico, Antria, or Cilium, amongst others. Now, let's get into the practical part. Here's a step-by-step guide to secure your inter-pod communications in Kubernetes. First, you need to define the network policy. This can be done by creating a YAML file where you specify all the restrictions and rules you want to enforce on your pods. Second, apply this policy. You can do this by using the command kubectl-applyf, followed by your YAML file name. Remember, the network policy is not standalone. It needs to be associated with a pod. So, make sure to label your pods appropriately and match these labels in your network policy. With network policies, you can restrict ingress and egress connections to your pods, making your Kubernetes cluster far more secure. And there you have it. That's how you can secure inter-pod communication in Kubernetes using network policies. It's all about controlling what goes in and what goes out. Sounds a bit like the bouncer at a club, right? Remember, securing your applications is not a one-time job, it's an ongoing task. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing and securing your Kubernetes deployments. As always, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech content. Happy learning!